Look at them all.
White rhinos are the larger of the two types of rhinos that can be found here in the reserve. There is about 11,000 of them left in the wild.
Wow.
If you look over to your passenger side once more through that clearing, you should be able to see that white rhino again up on there.
Look at that. Cool. Yes. Yeah.
And up ahead to our driver's side, it looks like we'll also be able to see some cheetahs. When you look up on that hill to your driver's side, lying down. Cheetahs, very fastest land mammals. They can go 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. The reason they can go so fast is that their claws actually never retract, allowing them to gain better traction on the ground when they start to run.
Very good camouflage.
They're also the largest cat that can purr, and speaking of big cats, we are headed up to this Kopi Rock. The Kopi Rock can be a pretty great place to spot some lions. Now, lions are nocturnal animals. They spend the majority of their day resting, about 20 hours of it in fact, and then at night, the female lions will go out to hunt while the male lion stays behind to protect his territory.
I'm a lion. Go ahead and sound me out.
And over to our passenger side, we can also see some of these Grant zebras. Grant zebra are also known as the plains zebra. We're not seeing any lions up on the Kopi Rock just yet. It's possible they're off sleeping somewhere.
Yeah, let's just jump in the lion thing.
But hey, does anyone know what the Swahili word for lion is? I bet you already know it. The Swahili word for lion is Simba.
Look,
And over to our driver's side, we'll be able to see some warthogs and their burrows. Warthogs
ostrich
form
down here.
burrows as a measure of self-defense.
Oh yeah.
We'll go inside of them and then turn around and
Look
point
at the
their
ostrich.
tusks outward in order to better defend against predators. We can also see these ostriches lying down. Ostriches are some of the biggest land birds.
Laura,
They're
down
also
there.
some of the fastest. They also actually can't fly. Instead, they use their wings to control their direction as they run from place to place.
His eggs under there.